Belzona 1341 is an erosion-corrosion-resistant coating for efficiency enhancement. It was designed to improve the efficiency of fluid handling equipment and to protect metals from the effects of erosion and corrosion. One of the key factors of a Belzona application is a thorough mix of two components. In this video, we will demonstrate how to mix Belzona 1341 by volume. For the mixing, you will need two components: a base and a solidifier of Belzona 1341, a spatula, and a measuring cup. Make sure to always follow the manufacturer's instructions for use provided with each product. To get started, twist off the lid from Belzona 1341 base and remove the plastic cover underneath it. With a Belzona spatula, stir the base to reincorporate any settlement. Then, open the solidifier by removing the metal clamps with a special tool and carefully removing the lid. Next, using a measuring cup, pour the contents of the Belzona 1341 base according to the amount needed. Belzona 1341 mixing ratio is 1:1 base and solidifier. Now, pour the same amount of the solidifier into the measuring cup. Mix thoroughly together to achieve a uniform material free of any streakiness. Once the material is mixed, it is ready for the application on pumps, turbines, pipes, impellers, tanks.